Today I'm going to talk about how to work a double crochet triple decrease. So that means that you're going to use one double crochet decrease stitch worked across 3 stitches, combining 3 stitches into 1 stitch. So I'm going to chain 2 before I begin because the double crochet stitch posts are much taller than single crochet. Often designers will have you chain 2 or chain 3 to create enough room between the work and your hook to get a full double crochet post in that space. So chaining 2 is a little bit conservative, but often people will have you chain 3. To begin the double crochet triple decrease, I'm going to yarn over, insert the hook into the next available stitch, yarn over, pull up, yarn over, and pull through 2 loops. This does not complete a double crochet. This is an almost completed double crochet. To complete it, we would yarn over and pull through those 2 remaining loops. But we're not completing this because this is just the first part of the double crochet triple decrease. We're using double crochet stitches. We're decreasing across 3 stitches, hence the triple, and it's a decrease down to 1 stitch. So we're going to start the next step of the double crochet triple decrease by yarning over, inserting into the next available stitch, yarn over, pull up, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and we're going to leave that again. Now we're going to do it again. Yarn over, insert the hook into the next available stitch, yarn over, pull up, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and now we have the start of 3 double crochet stitches on our hook. We have a total of 4 loops. We're going to yarn over and pull through all 4 loops. That creates a double crochet triple decrease. Now I'm going to chain 2 because if I don't, things are going to get really tight together, and I'm going to demonstrate that again. So we're going to yarn over, insert into the next available stitch, yarn over, pull up, yarn over. We have 4 loops on the hook now, and we're going to pull through 2 loops. So now we just have 2 loops on the hook. We're going to do that again. Yarn over, insert your hook into the next available stitch, yarn over, pull up, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and then again, yarn over, insert into the next available stitch, yarn over, pull up, yarn over, and pull through 2 loops. You should have 4 loops on your hook. At this point, now we're going to yarn over, pull through all 4 loops, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and that is a double crochet triple decrease. I've done 2 of them. I'm going to do a third a little bit faster. I'm going to chain 2 before I start. Yarn over, insert into the next available stitch, partially make a double crochet stitch. Now we're going to work another one, and then yarn over and pull through all 4 loops. That's 3 double crochet triple decreases in a row, a triple double crochet triple decrease. I hope that helps.